Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here at Plantworx in the Get Connected Zone, which this year is sponsored by PLINX and MachineMax. And both PLINX and MachineMax are actually doing a big launch here today. We're going live with this launch at Plantworx because it's super exciting. Amy, tell me what it's all about. And we've got various different devices on the table. What's going on now?
So we're really excited to announce a new project that we've been working on with PLINX for a number of months now.
Right.
So we talk a lot, both companies, about integrated data, and we've now come up with a plan of how we can integrate our two innovative software and hardware solutions to give our customers more information faster and so that they can make more informed decisions.
And Jenny, what's really exciting for PLINX is you've got lots of different sensors. You've got one on the helmet here, we've got a new device here, we've got this disc device that's fitted actually into the excavator as well. So when you talk about coming together, it's actually not just, hey, we're going to use things together, it's integration and collaboration, isn't it? And so that also is part of this. And what is this, Jenny?
Well, this connects the machine operator
Yeah.
with information about what's happening with his machine and the way it interacts with his environment.
Yeah.
So this is the feedback loop, if you like, to the operator. So people are part of this, this whole system. It's not just about data. So this will tell the operator, it's got two functions. If it's used in one way, it will give the operator feedback if the pedestrian is too close.
Right.
If
Yeah.
they're wearing their PLINX Team Sense here.
Yep.
And in an idling monitoring function, it will give them feedback if they've been idling for an extended period of time. So it'll give them that warning just to bring that consciousness to the fore that they need to think about whether or not they should switch their machine off.
And that is two sensors coming together, folks, because the MachineMax sensor I have here, Amy, is actually monitoring that idle time.
Yeah.
And now we've got that visual aid with PLINX as well that doubles up. So what we don't want is cab clutter. We
No.
don't want lots and lots of sensors and lots of things going beep, beep, bam, bam. We want all of that information in one place, don't we? And that's part of how you've integrated with the APIs into the overall dashboard system. How does that look like? Obviously, this is in the cab, but the data coming through now.
So I think we've always been very clear at MachineMax that the benefit to the customer is what they see in the platform, or if they would rather have it in a BI report or in their own platform or in another fashion. What we can do is take information from any hardware, any API source, pull that in. We can use our insights that are driven by our AI and our machine cloud, and then we can serve that to the customer where they need it most. And with context, if we bring in partners' information, and that way you're really able to use the data, but ultimately where that data comes from is not the user's problem. So if we need hardware, we have hardware and we have amazing partners who can support us with that, or our own. If we have APIs because customers are already using those, then we can pull that data in and make it a little bit richer too.
And so, folks, all of this, why I'm excited about this is because it's a Get Connected Zone. I love getting connected with people, but also with technology like we're doing now. But also it's showing how businesses like yours are actually going, hey, we're really good at this. We're really good at these sort of sensors. We're really good at this stuff. We're really good at pulling all that together. Let's do a crazy thing, people, and work together. So, Jenny, there's got to be some benefits in doing that. But what are the actual benefits that you've looked at, and what does it really mean for big projects and things like that?
Sure, well, more and more machines are becoming central to thinking about many aspects of the site. You know, they are the biggest workers, if you like, on the site.
Yep.
So looking at this from a machine perspective, we're looking at efficiency of machines, how they move around site, whether they're kept away, segregated from zones that may be unsafe for them to operate in, either because people are there or because there's unstable ground, for example. So there's a big safety piece to do, there's a big productivity piece to do, and then again where we started off our conversations around sustainability, there's that idling piece, which of course is not only burning fuel unnecessarily, but is creating emissions that we need to keep down on our project sites. So the benefit, if you aggregate all of those, we've been looking at all the data and trying to estimate what the ROI might look like. And we believe that we're looking at something less than a year as a return on investment for installing this kind of integrated solution.
1 year. So we've got a project, we've got big projects everywhere that I'm going to see. You know, we've got things like HS2, we've got a lot of the different elements of big infrastructure out there. So you're literally putting this all together, the savings are there. Not only are we saving money and making it pay back, we're also saving emissions, we're keeping people safer, and we're alerting people, not in a furious way, just a little lighting solution there to actually help protect them and help them be part of the team. Because I always say, folks, this is really clever technology, these are clever people that work in these businesses, but the brains is the operator inside the machine, supporting them, helping them do their job, and keeping them safe, and everybody else around them actually has a payback, folks, and that payback is pretty good. So why don't you come down here at Plantworx, and if you can't make it, get in touch with the team anyway, and absolutely have an amazing Get Connected experience here at Plantworx with me and the team. Cheers.
Thank you, Peter.
Thank you, Peter.